Hello students, this is another video from the topic cell for class 9. Here in this video I will discuss about the different cell organelles like mitochondria and plastids. Both these organelles are very important cell organelles. Mitochondria is found in all eukaryotic cells, plants and animals. The mitochondria was discovered by Colliker in the year 1880. The name mitochondria was given by C. Benda in the year 1887. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell, as it provides energy for the metabolic functions of the cell. Now, what is the structure of this mitochondria? Mitochondria are very small sized, rod-shaped cell organelles. In unicellular organism, there is a single mitochondrion, while in the multicellular organisms, number of mitochondria varies from 50 to several thousands depending on the physiology of the cell. Now, how does the mitochondria look internally? Mitochondria are bounded by a double membrane. The outer membrane is smooth and permeable for small molecules and ions, while the inner membrane is selectively permeable in nature and has numerous folds. These folds are called cristae that increases the surface area. Cristae have ATP forming regions, and these regions are called oxysomes or elementary particles or F1 particles. The intermitochondrial space or the outer chamber is the region between the two membranes of the mitochondria. It contains transparent homogeneous fluid. The space between the cristae is called inner chamber, and a homogeneous fluid is found in this space, which is known as mitochondrial matrix. The mitochondria is also known as semiautonomous because it has its own DNA, RNA and protein. The mitochondria helps in aerobic respiration, hence it is called the site of aerobic respiration. Here the food, that is the carbohydrate and fat, is oxidized by the use of molecular oxygen and energy is released in the form of ATP. Hence the cell uses this stored energy for various vital activities. On the other hand, mitochondria also provide intermediates for the synthesis of various biochemicals like steroids, fatty acids, amino acids, and chlorophyll. The next cell organelle is plastid. The plastid is a membrane-bound organelle and found in cytoplasm of plant cell and certain protists, which can harvest solar energy. They manufacture the nutrient molecule and store the materials. The term plastid was given by Skimper in the year 1885. Plastid is found in all plant cells and certain protists, which can harvest solar energy. Plastids are also found in one animal, that is Euglena. Plastids are found scattered randomly in the cytoplasm and they are visible under light microscope. Now the plastids are of three types. They are the leukoplast, the chloroplast and the chromoplast. Leukoplast are colorless plastids and they are commonly found in those plant cells which are not exposed to sunlight. They are cylindrical or round in shape. These plastids generally stored starch, protein and lipid. Leukoplasts are therefore classified on the basis of the type of stored material. They are as follows. Amyloplast store starch, elaioplast store fat bodies or fat and oil, and oligioplast store protein. The next type of plastid is chromoplast. Chromoplasts are colored plastids found in cells that are exposed in sunlight. These are again of two types, the non-green chromoplast and the green chromoplast. The non-green chromoplasts are generally the colored pigment red, orange and yellow, which are due to the presence of carotenoid. They are found in algae, fruits and flowers. While the green chromoplast, which is also known as chloroplast, are the green plastids and they are found in leaves and young stems. The chloroplast have chlorophyll that trap the solar energy. In most higher plants and some green algae, the chloroplast is very common type of plastid and it has a very important biological importance. The chloroplast have double membrane and inside there is a matrix consists of stroma which is colorless, granular and colloidal ground substances present in the matrix. The lamella contain closed flattened membrane bound sacs called thylakoid. These thylakoid are arranged in piles and these piles are called grana. During the photosynthesis process, the light reaction occur in this grana and the dark reaction occur at the stroma. Solar energy for making food is trapped by the chloroplast. Due to photosynthesis, these chloroplasts are also commonly known as the kitchen of the cell.